and good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. And a huge thanks to our eminent speakers, Ms. Shrishti and Ms. Swati. So we're delighted today to inform you that Mentor Mitra is offering a 7-day free trial on the Android app for the first 1,000 users. And through our app, you can work on optimizing your overall performance while you also set the right goals with our mentors and follow a course in order to enhance your emotional quotient. So you can also refine and gain the relevant skills for the 21st century. So all these particular facets, they pertain to the focus areas that Mentor Mitra objectively works on. And that includes goal setting, time management, priority management. Then there is EQ enhancement, soft skills development, along with stress regulation. So can we go back to the previous slide? The one before. Okay. So in order to get access to the free trial, you'll have to click on the header, which says get your 7-day free trial. And then there'll be an option of yes that appears. So you'll have to click on it and your trial will consequently start. So, accordingly, you'll get access to our templates, which includes the questionnaire, then tracks and options templates, sports track, college track, along with templates on priorities, goals and affirmations, activities, and weekly templates for the timetable. However, I'd like to bring to your notice that the session feedback and the session scheduling templates with the mentors will not be available in the free trial. And in order to get access to the same, you'll have to purchase a program which is relevant to your needs as well as to your age category. And so that can be facilitated accordingly. And the chatbot and the customer support options are available in the free trial. So you can definitely get access to those along with the sections of grades and time tracker, which includes the grades progress and the weekly stats templates. So can we move on to the next slide? Yeah. So this is our landing page. You can check it out. Here's the link. And here you can get an overview of the app. You can get to know the nitty-gritty details that I've just briefly mentioned. Next slide. Can we move on to the next slide? Yeah. Okay. So this is the QR code, and here's the Google Play link that you can access to download our app, which is free of cost. And next slide. All right. So I'd like to again bring to your notice that the app is available only on Play Store, as I mentioned earlier, which means it can be downloaded on the phones, uh, on your Android devices only. And the iOS version will be available very soon. The download is free of cost, and the app is available in India, Philippines, China, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Italy, Malaysia, Nepal, Russia, Spain, and Thailand. And it will be launched in other countries very soon. So you can download our app in these respective regions. And in case you happen to have any queries, any suggestions, feedback, or anything that you wish to convey to us, feel free to drop a mail on the following email IDs: contact@mentormitra.com or connect@mentormitra.com. And you can also reach out to us on our social media handles. And before I take off, I'd like Kritika to play the video of the app once.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the webinar session. MentorMyth is giving away a 7-day free trial so that users can know what MentorMyth provides and how it can help them. Now, I am going to explain how you can avail the 7 days free trial on the MentorMyth Android app. Here, when you log in into the app, you see an option on the top, the 7-day free trial now. Just click on the option and you'll be asked if you are sure if you want to start the trial session. Click on yes and your trial will be started. So as a trial user, you will be able to access all the templates like questionnaire, tracks and options, sports track, college track, priorities, goals and affirmations, activities, weekly timetable, and session feedback and session scheduling are blocked for the 7 days free trial. So if you want to avail session scheduling, you have to enroll into one of our programs. Chatbot and customer support are available in the 7 days free trial. You can also track your grades and track your time tracker, and you can get the weekly reports in the 7 days free trial. You can get your grades progress. You can get a weekly stats report and all the other usages on the 7 days free trial. Hoping to see you there on the Mentor Mitra app. Thank you.